So I've been wanting to get a new phone for a while. This is my old iPhone 10. I skipped the 11, waiting for the 12, and finally it has arrived. As you can tell, my phone is definitely, phone case is worn out, but I have a new replacement. So we'll have a new case and a new screen cover. We buy new phones as they come out for our testing of our mobile apps. And this is an unboxing of the iPhone 12. I just got it this morning and haven't even opened it up, so I figured I would share. It's got a little pull down tab here. And what's in the box? Let's see. Oh, what do we have? Ooh, ooh. Hey look, it's solution built blue. Imagine that. This is it. So it's got some sort of cover. Seems a lot heavier than my other phone and thicker, but it's got the squared corners. Major difference, you could tell here, square, and obviously on the back we have 3 cameras instead of 1 like the iPhone 11. So the iPhone 10 had 1 camera, this one has 3. So let's see if this thing has any juice. So we're booting up. It comes with, in the case, this still has a lightning port, but it will only charge with the USB-C. So if you don't have a, you'll have to get you a new USB. So bonjour, so that's it. I think we'll go with English, United States, and we're gonna do the transfer, but I'm not gonna wait for that. What else is in the box? Looks like we have, of course you have your Apple stickers, some directions, we don't need that, and this little pin to take out your SIM card and trade that out. Mine's already set up, so thank you. Yeah, this is it. I'm excited.